have my two favorite wrapping papers, and what we're going to do with these wrapping papers is we're going to glue them on with these brushes onto this pickle jar. Packaging label. We have to take that off.
Yeah. What do you think is a good way to get that off? Do you want to try just peeling it?
Mm-hmm.
I think it might be glued on pretty tight.
Is it okay if it leaves that little white marking?
I guess so. We're going to cover it up. But you know what we could also try?
What?
Soaking it.
Soak it. Let's soak it, soak it, soak it.
What should we soak it in?
Water.
Cold water or hot water?
Hot.
Why? What do you think?
Because hot water is like more melting water.
That's true. Yeah, I think that will help break apart the glue.
Let's do this.
What did we just add to the table?
A bowl of hot water to put our pickle jar in, which makes the peeling wrapper come off better.
Right. Okay, you want to put it in?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe sideways? What's going to happen if you let go?
It's just gonna be
Is it trying to float?
Yes.
Yes. Because that glass jar is doing what?
Because it doesn't have anything in it.
Doesn't have anything in it, so it weighs less than the water.
Now it isn't because it has water in it.
Smart. Okay, so we will just wait for that to do its
Part of
thing.
it's already getting wet.
Oh, great. Okay. Maybe we could start cutting up your tissue paper.
Good idea. I'll get scissors.
Great idea.
I'm cutting it like rectangles first.
Ooh, I like your technique of cutting strips and then cutting in the other direction. I think that's a really smart, fast way to cut little squares.
You know. I'm making sure none of them are like this.
Oh, look at this.
What?
Oh, it's starting to come off. Hi, Marshall. Is it coming off more easily?
Mm-hmm.
Are you done?
There. Got more everywhere again.
I put just a little bit of water in it in order to thin it out. The lid, I think we should just wait till we're all done and then we can trim off the extra.
Okay. Okay.
But did you notice that some tissue paper is more transparent than others?
How do you mean by that?
Well, like you said, we can see through the teal better than we can see through the sprinkles.
I'll put an extra layer on here.
Definitely, I think we need an extra layer.
So we made the lid, we glued stuff to it, and then we did the, and then we put little, like, wrapping paper stuff. We did the same to this big jar. This one's see-through, this one's mostly yellow.
Okay, do you want to show off the jar? It's beautiful!
I like the under part better because it looks cooler, I feel like.
What do you think you might put in it?
I'll roll it off and I'll roll it off.
Makes sense.